got a 2012 Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn. About 141,500 miles on it. Inch aluminum wheels, 5.7 liter HEMI. Leather interior, memory seats, power seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, automatic headlights, factory installed trailer brake controller. This truck is a little loud on startup until it gets a little warm and it quiets down. Hear that? I'll start another Ram for you so you can compare. Got some more of the inside, the side power seat as well. Does have navigation, heated, cooled seats, 4-wheel drive. Does have a moon/sunroof and tri-split back window. Does work. I'll move it here for you. A little bit of a, not a hole, just a little bit of pressure was put there. Thing to note, got a dent here, a few dents in the back bumper actually on this side. Dynamax exhaust, dual pipe. Does have a backup camera as well. I'll show you that inside too. There's a little bit of damage right here to the tailgate. See if I can get it in there. Spraying bedliner. There's those wheels. Wrangler Goodyear tires. Like I said, 20-inch aluminums. Decent tread left. There's a wear bar if you can see it. There's that backup camera. And like I said, 141, 493, about 141.5. Open the hood here. Truck is quieting down a little bit now. It's got a little warm. Still not the quietest truck, but definitely a lot better than when it first starts up. Pop this hood here. Said 5.7 liter HEMI V8. Again, got a 2012 Ram Laramie Longhorn, 5.7 HEMI, about 141,500 miles.